In a medium and heavy plate production line, the precise processing of slabs determines the final quality of the product. SMG, Turnkey Project Supplier of Iron and Steel, production line from China, providing fully integrated intelligent solutions for medium and heavy plate production lines, with a highly efficient and reliable conveying roller table system. Slabs are precisely delivered into the high-pressure descaling unit, effectively removing scale and ensuring a clean surface. A secondary descaling process provides deeper cleaning, laying a solid foundation for subsequent rolling. Once entering the reversible 4-high rolling mill, the slabs undergo multiple passes of reciprocal rolling, achieving a uniform, dense structure and superior dimensional accuracy. By choosing SMG, you will receive professional and hassle-free turnkey solutions for steel projects.